Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Have you ever wondered about the journey that the delicious almonds you enjoy each day take to reach your table? Today, we'll take you through the entire process of almond production, from planting the very first seedling to delivering the final product to consumers. Let's step into the fascinating world of almond farming and begin this journey together. The journey begins in mid-February, when farmers plant almond seedlings. This timing is crucial, as it allows the young plants to develop during the optimal growing season. Each seedling is carefully spaced to ensure it has room to grow and thrive. Protective covers are also placed over the young plants to shield them from pests and limit excessive sunlight, giving them the best start possible. Over the next 2 years, these seedlings grow into young almond trees. During this time, farmers provide consistent care to ensure healthy growth. Almond trees require a substantial amount of water, so drip irrigation systems are often used to supply water directly to the roots. This method conserves water while keeping the trees hydrated. Farmers constantly monitor their health, checking for any signs of disease or pest infestation. Pruning is another essential part of almond tree care, usually done at the beginning of winter. This practice helps shape the trees, remove dead or diseased branches, and promotes better air circulation, all of which are crucial for producing high-quality almonds. By the third year, almond trees begin to blossom, typically between February and March. During this time, the orchards are adorned with beautiful white and pink flowers, which not only offer a stunning visual but also play a critical role in almond production. Millions of honeybees are brought into the orchards to pollinate these blossoms. The sight of bees diligently pollinating each flower reflects the harmony between agriculture and nature. Without these bees, almond production would face significant challenges. After pollination, the flowers begin to transform into almonds over the next 5 to 6 months. The almonds grow and mature, drawing nutrients from the soil and water from the irrigation systems. A hard shell forms to protect the nut inside, which will eventually become the delicious snack we all enjoy. When the almonds are ready for harvest, typically in late summer to early fall, the orchards are bustling with activity. Specialized harvesting machines are brought in to shake the trees, causing the almonds to fall to the ground. This method is efficient and similar to how olives or cherries are harvested. The fallen almonds are then collected, ready for the next stage of their journey. Once harvested, the almonds are transported to a drying area. In some regions, especially in the Middle East, almonds are spread out under the sun for about a week to dry. This traditional method helps reduce moisture content, ensuring proper preservation for storage and processing. After drying, the almonds are transported to processing facilities, where they go through several stages including cleaning, sorting, and shelling. Advanced machinery is used to remove the outer shells, leaving the edible almonds ready for further processing. They are then sorted by size and quality to ensure only the best almonds make it to the final packaging. The final step in the almond journey is packaging and distribution. At the processing facility, the cleaned and sorted almonds are packaged in various forms: whole, sliced, or ground, depending on consumer demand. Packaging is handled carefully to maintain freshness and prevent contamination. Once packaged, the almonds are ready to be distributed to markets and stores worldwide, allowing consumers everywhere to enjoy fresh, high-quality almonds. And there you have it, the complete journey of almonds from orchard to table. This process requires dedication, precision, and a deep respect for nature. The next time you enjoy a handful of almonds, remember the effort that went into bringing this nutritious snack to you. Thank you for joining us on this fascinating journey. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below with your thoughts. See you in the next video.